Nia's just given birth. She will be offered the newborn hearing test for her baby Dylan. 1 or 2 babies in every 1,000 are born with permanent hearing loss, which can affect speech and language development. Finding out early means that help and support can be put in place right from the start. Most of these babies are born into families where nobody else has a hearing loss. Screening may take place in hospital or at a community clinic. Ideally, it's carried out in the first few weeks of life. Two types of test may be used for screening. Both are quick and painless and are ideally carried out while Dylan is sleeping. Screening is your choice. However, newborn hearing screening is recommended by the NHS. Nia will be given the results of the screening test as soon as it is finished. If no further screening tests are needed, Nia should keep a check on Dylan's hearing and contact her health visitor or GP if she has any concerns. If more tests are needed, Dylan will be referred to a specialist hearing team called audiology. If Dylan is found to have a hearing loss, the audiology team will offer further support. For general information or support, Nia can talk to the newborn hearing screening team, a health visitor or a doctor, or go to phw.nhs.wales/newborn-hearing-screening.